F for focus, M for masti. B for
अरे अभी हम सेशन के लिए नहीं आ रहे ना मानो।
SPJIMR Institute of Management and Research will be inclined in my mind for a very long time. And not just this, of course you should. Today, I'm graduating with lots and lots of things to implement in my own business, and moreover, most importantly than that, beautiful memories to cherish for my lifetime.
FME 32 and 33, today is your big day. 18 months of hard work, lots of fun, lots of camaraderie, lots of networking is coming to an end. But your relationship with SPJIMR is not going to end. You are now going to become an alumnus, and I congratulate you on this journey. I also sincerely pray and hope that you will live up to the SPJIMR values and purpose.
To welcome Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. Jaspal, Bindra, Chairman, Centrum Group Company, Dr. Varun Nagaraj, Dean of SPJIMR, Dr. Tulsi Jayakumar, Executive Director, Centrum for Family Business and Entrepreneurship, faculty and administration members.
So I'll basically conclude with that. Purpose, I hope, you reflect on who you are, why you're here, what impact you really want to have when you hang your boots up, whatever age you do. And think about how you will get there, and think about the role that innovation will play. And I wish you all the best in a successful life. Thank you.
As we recognize the achievements of our FME participants from batches 32 and 33 who have successfully completed the postgraduate program in family management.
FMB.
F for focus,
M for मस्ती करो.
P for business.